the puppy class, third place, Pit Bull, Grace. Grace, step on up. Preston LaFleur with Grace. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, round of applause for Grace, folks. Third place, puppy. Okay, next up, second in the puppy category, an American Bulldog with a very popular name of Capone, Jason Newsom's Capone. Step on up, second place, puppy category. Thank you very much. Okay, let's keep it moving, folks. First place, with the moment you've been waiting for, the top puppy of the day goes to American Bulldog by the name of Diamond. Diamond, step on up. Jerron Benson with Diamond, 7-month-old American Bulldog. All right, a little demonstration in active control, folks. Demonstration in active control. All right, number one puppy, Diamond. Congratulations, young man. Congratulations. Got your hands full, don't you? Okay, let's keep the flow going, folks. Third place in the terrier category. Nino, Nino, step on up. Round of applause for Nino. Third place.
Congratulations, bro. All right.
Female by the name of Caesar. Caesar, step on up for that second place award. Remember, folks, you all are winners here at Gills International Dog Show. Fine Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Every day is a good day at Gills. Second place, Caesar. Thank you very much. And first place, terrier category, Pit Bull, by the name of Remy Red. Remy Red, step on up, Remy Red, for that number one, numero uno spot. All right. No, he's number one. Oh, she's number one, huh? Congratulations. A nice round of applause, everybody. A nice round of applause. Okay, in the working group category, third place goes to an American Bulldog female by the name of Lady. Lady, where you at? Step on up, Lady. With the fine handler. An outstanding job you did. It's all about control, young man, all about control. Keep a tight grip. All right, congratulations and job well done. And second place, Apollo. Denise Johnson, step on up. Apollo. That fine shepherd of yours. All right. Congratulations. Congratulations, Apollo. In the working group, first place, Roddy Capone. Dwight Washington's Capone. Okay, we'll take care of that, folks. Thank you very much. Okay, let's move it right along. Pit Bull by the name of Tiger. Patrick, bring Tiger on up. All right, Tiger.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. All right. Congratulations, Tiger. Okay, keeping it moving. Second place, American Bulldog, Nino. Jerron Benson, Nino, second place. Number 2 male. Congratulations, so congratulations, Nino, with the best female. Best female, 7, step on up. Where's 7? 7, guess what? You're number 1. Just can't wait to get up here. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Okay, all right. That's biology going on. Okay. One male. Chaos, step on up, pit bull by the name of Chaos.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my South African brother. I appreciate that. Best in Show, Angela Gilmore. Tyson. All right. I'll let you do that. Thank you very much. Tyson. Folks, we want to thank you so much for coming out, sharing your day with us here at Gills International Dog Show. We built on last year to this year. We appreciate it. Hopefully we'll be able to do it bigger and better next year. But before we go, how about a round of applause for the man who made all this possible, Mr. Brian Gilmore. All right, outstanding job, Gil. A few words for the public.
Hey folks, I'd like to thank everybody for coming out. We're going to keep doing this because we'll let the community know that we as black folks can do things down here too. We can show off our dogs and do our kids and do the same things they do in the other neighborhoods. So I want you guys to keep on coming down here to the dog show and keep patronizing me, and hopefully things keep going down here good. So I thank you guys for coming, and I hope you had a nice time, and we'll wait to see you next year. Thank you.
All right. Gil for president.